Hi everyone, in this video module, we will see how to add a drop-down control in Google Data Studio. Okay, in the last video, we saw how to make a scorecard. We will add a table also now. We will have one table with subcategories. We will have a table with subcategories and the total profit for each subcategory. Okay, let us expand this table as well. Now we have a table of subcategory and profit and a scorecard showing the total sales. Okay, total sales it is being shown. So now we will see how can we add the control of drop down here. So let us go to add a control, and add a control we should click drop down list and just click it here. Okay, so what control I want everything displayed in my report to be based on my region. Okay, so this control field from subcategory I will change it into region. So my control field now becomes region, and when I just check in the view mode, there are 5 regions available here: east, west, north, south and central. So let's see from top what are the different check boxes. So this is kind of select all or unselect all. So now everything is selected. If I click it, everything is unselected. Again, if I click, everything is selected. Okay, and if I want the sales of east region only, then I can choose this only option. So everything else gets unchecked. Okay, if I want only central, then I can click only central. If I want both east and central, then I can click the checkbox here. Okay, so these are the various options available inside the drop down control. Let's go back to the edit mode and let's select everything. Okay, now what are the other options available inside the drop down list? Whether it should be whether the dimension should be arranged in ascending or descending order. So descending order means like in A, B, C, D, from Z to A, things are arranged. If I'm keeping in ascending order, then A to Z, things are arranged. So these things we can do, and default date range. So again, this auto means all 4 years data as calculated. I can specifically choose a certain time period based on which all these data is displayed. Okay. Okay, now if I want to see the sales for central region alone, then the 3 million sales now became 493k sales. Okay, similarly, in each subcategory, the profit is drastically reduced because we are seeing the data only for central region. If you want to see for central and east region alone, now the sales has gone up a little bit, and in each segment, the profit has also gone a little bit. Okay, so basically, this drop down control is going to it's going to determine what is to be displayed in the other visualizations in our report. In simple terms, this drop down will help us to make our Google dashboard interactive. Every component, every visual interacts with this control of drop down and displays data accordingly. Okay, what are the styling options? As we discussed in other visualizations, there are different styling options, like you can change the color, size, font, all these things. One thing to be mentioned here is that enable search box. So here I have five options. Okay, what if I have some 20 or 30 options? Then scrolling through it or searching it will become difficult, whereas I can simply type which one I want. Okay, so this is one option in the style. And next is single select. Now I'm able to select multiple things here, but when I have single select, I'll be able to select only one, either east or north, not everything. Okay, and then as of now we'll unselect it. Next is fixed size. Fixed size is nothing but a drop down control which is always expanded. So if I click fixed size, then everything will be visible throughout, and it won't get minimized. Okay, so this is the difference between drop down and fixed size. No much of a difference, but the disadvantage with fixed size is that it occupies a lot of space and it won't minimize even when our work is done. Okay, so I will have my control as drop down itself. And one more thing which I forgot to mention in data is that the metric value, the profit is displayed for each region. So for central region, the profit is for 50,000. For each region, it is for 1,18,000. So all these data, it is of not great value to me. So I'll just remove this so that the distractions are reduced. Okay. So this is how drop down option, drop down control, and fixed size control can be used effectively in Google Data Studio. And based on it, based on what we select in this control, in this drop down, the other visualizations starts displaying the data accordingly. Hope I'm clear with this concept. We'll see in next video module. Thank you.